I would say to residential cleaning business owners, if you want to take your business into the next year and improve your credibility in your community and give your clients and your prospective employees more confidence about doing business with your company, I would suggest that you go to the ISSA website, to the Rethink Clean page, and read all about it. You can view videos there that were made with Howie Mandel, and Gavin was part of those as well. And they really help open your eyes to that validation, that measurement that's so important as we are cleaning people's homes. But then you have the opportunity, if you become a member of ISSA, you have access to a toolkit full of tools that will help you make Rethink Clean a part of your communications campaign throughout your business, digital, website, social media, even in newsletters to your clients. I really encourage residential cleaning business owners to take advantage of the Rethink Clean campaign. This can really set you apart, and it can give you the confidence to know that you're doing the right thing for your clients and your employees.